Hello there everyone. Today I would like to do a review about my new wheel set, 2021 Zipp NSW 808 wheel set. I have got for both my front and rear wheel the 808. I know for some riders would prefer a smaller section wheel for the front, but the place I lived in do not really have the case of very strong crosswinds, and I don't think a deeper section wheel will affect my steer on my bike. Furthermore, I am not very aggressive on my corners, so I'm going for the deeper section for a more competitive look on my bike. A bit on the seller of the wheel set. I ordered this set of wheels from Cycles online. Delivery was pretty quick as the wheels was dispatched in less than a week. It's only that the transit was, however, a little bit longer than I expected. It took approximately 3 to 4 weeks, but I guess it was due to the COVID situation. I called the hotline at Cycles and they answered my call pretty fast. I would say within 5 minutes, and also helped me to check the order. So I would recommend them if you're looking for bikes related products online. So you may Google them online, and I think their range of products are also quite complete as well. For those who have not seen my other video, my Trek Madone comes originally with a Bontrager Aeolus Pro 5 wheel set, and here is how it sounds. So far my ride with the Zipp wheels are really good. I can really feel that the wheel is much more smooth and faster during coasting, especially at downslope. But I would like to remind, if there are any one of you who is a fan of loud harps, then Zipp NSW will definitely not be the right choice for you. If you do some research on the principle of cognition harps, you will know that the harps have a magnetic clutch system which will disengage to reduce friction. So rather we have the noise of the paws hitting against the splines, these wheels will have the paws disengage from the splines. So as you can hear, in contrast, the sound of the cognition harp is easily overshadowed. So trust me, on the road it is almost silent. Next, I would like to talk about the design of the Zipp wheel, where they still keep the design of the dimples, as they claim that this will improve the airflow for greater stability. The graphics on the wheels are printed, so there are no decals on the surface, which I think is necessary to reduce drag, improving aerodynamics. The prints are almost flushed, and the new design is also more modern and unique. Not just like a lot of other wheel makers where they just paste decals onto the wheel surface. If you look into the details, there are also some helical lines printed throughout the wheel surface, and I think this shows that Zipp is also paying attention not only for performance but also wants the wheel to stand out. So I hope you find the video helpful to know more details about the product. Especially I know some of you might be ordering this online during this period of time without having the chance to touch and see the product. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment section below, and I will appreciate if you can give me a thumbs up if you like the video.